girl Brinks, coming to you guys with a cooking video. Today we are doing one of my favorite pastas. Guys, know it's going to be the heart of palmini noodles with some shrimp. We are actually going to put some peppers in it this time, which is going to be something a little bit different from what I usually do. We're still going to have our fire roasted tomatoes, and then we're also going to have the shrimp in it, and then our spinach. But other than that, it's going to have the same seasonings as it usually does. This is what we're using. Alright, y'all, so it includes Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. I think most of the times I just use the Parmesan cheese, but this time I'm going to use some mozzarella as well. So that's going to be a little bit different from how I normally do it. And then also,
Mommy.
What, TK?
Are you okay?
Yes.
You were mad at me last time.
No, it wasn't. So, first we're going to start off by putting our olive oil in here. The shrimps are clean. And we're almost out of olive oil, which I didn't think of until I just pulled it out the cabinet. We're going to add our seasonings right in here. So we got our garlic salt. We got our garlic and herb. We got our New Orleans Cajun. We got some garlic powder. We try to do this as quick as possible, y'all, because y'all know it's late. Y'all know it's late. I don't know what be going on, but your girl be late all the time cooking now. Overdoing it. Some slap your mama. Some regular black pepper. Some onion salt. Right, and then to add a little bit extra, we are going to add a little bit of chili powder up in here. And some of the chipotle chili peppers to it. TK, throw that away. Just as a seasoning. And then we're going to mix it all together to coat our shrimps on both sides with the seasoning and the mix.
Mommy, are you okay?
Yes, baby.
Aww. What you making?
Pasta.
Pasta?
Yes.
You like pasta?
I do like pasta.
Do you like that kind of pasta?
Yeah, I like shrimp pasta.
Alright. Shrimp pasta, alright.
I don't know if y'all can really see it, but once everything is completely mixed together, you get a nicely coated looking shrimp that looks like this. Alright, let's do its thing, you guys. This is what it's looking like while it's cooking. And I'll be right back. Be right back. Alright, y'all, we are back. So we are going to add our garlic to the pot. Ooh, that was a lot of garlic. It's okay. As you guys can see, our shrimp is pretty much done right there. We're going to saute our garlic. And our same sauce that we just cooked our shrimp in. It just helps add to the pasta once we get ready for it. And we just saute that garlic until it becomes fragrant. And since this one is my fast cooking one, it doesn't really take long. So I'm just going to go ahead and dump my peppers in with it. What are you doing, Goofy? Alright, y'all. We are about to add our spinach in. Alright, y'all, we are adding in our spinach. Y'all know, even though the spinach looks like a huge amount, by the time we finish cooking it, it's gonna literally look like a corner. Literally a corner. So I'm throwing all the spinach in. We're gonna cook it down. And this is literally the smallest bag of spinach I could find, so just going off of what we could use. And yeah, put that down. Another good thing about spinach is it absorbs all that extra like juice and everything that we got going on at the bottom from like the tomatoes, and then also from the peppers. So it's a plus. Just cooking it down, making sure to get it all in there. And then as soon as this is done, we can add our heavy whipping cream and our cheeses. And that is pretty much mostly the end of this pasta. I like cooking this pasta because it's so pretty much fast to make. The most time consuming thing about this pasta is peeling the shrimp. Like the shrimp have tails on it. Peeling the shrimp. Other than that, like once y'all get the shrimp peeled and you cook it, it is pretty much fast cooking from there. Like it is fast cooking from there. And then another thing is like it's such a colorful pasta. Like the colors in it is just so pretty all together. And then it's just so flavorful. From the tomatoes to the peppers to the spinach to the shrimp and being incorporated into the sauce in general with the cheeses. Like y'all, it just makes it everything. So as y'all see, the shrimp.
Seriously, mommy.
The spinach has been wilted down. Now we add our heavy whipping cream. Put it done. Don't waste any time, y'all. Just throw it right on in. I think I'm actually going to use half of this, so not the full thing. Easy goodness. We're just going to mix it in. Alright, y'all, I will be back with the final results. Alright, y'all, this was the final result. And this was my plate. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is the end. Until next time, you guys, I will see ya. Bye.